talk with you guys? Okay. This mixy potato. This is so delicious. It's like that small tiny spicy mess in our, which is good. Like a tiny little bit. Would you have cold drink? Whoa. Look at it's so cool. I'm gonna drink it now. That was so quickly. I believe it's what? Oh. You can chew this stuff. You can chew this, but you can't eat it. Oh, you have to buy the whole, and then you just drink it. Don't forget to, but how you normal do it. You cut this thing off. It's like this shape, and then you just cut it off, and then you drink it like this. But I put it all here because I can't see my scissors. Might be in a chair back there at school. What 5 is coming up?